Let us look at a lesson from Siri Kannada grade 6. The name of this lesson is Krishna Sudhama. It is written by V.S. Shirahatti Mata. So this lesson talks about friendship. Friendship does not see whether a person is rich, poor, educated, uneducated. It is just the pure love and affection shared among the friends. So similarly, Krishna and Sudama were best of friends. But Krishna was a king and Sudama was a normal, ordinary, poor person. But their friendship was so pure. They had so much of love and respect for one another. So this is a story explaining about how pure and how truthful a friendship can be. So this story is enacted like a drama, and in this lesson it is enacted like a drama, and there are 4 scenes of this drama. So since it is slightly long, I will be breaking up the video into 2 parts. So in the first part we will look at scene 1 and 2, and in the second part of the video we will see scene 3 and 4. So I will just give a brief explanation of what happens in scene 1 and scene 2, and then we will look into the lesson. So in scene 1, Sudama and his wife, they are sitting and they are discussing. They are going through a lot of difficulties and they are very, very poor, and they have a lot of children and they are not able to feed their children. So Sudama is feeling sad and he is exhausted at all the difficulties that are coming one after the other. And he and his wife are discussing about the difficulties. Then the children walk in and they are saying they are hungry. And the wife says, "See, I thought that you are an educated person, you are a scholar and you will be able to earn and feed our children, but it has not happened." Then Sudama says, "It is all the luck and it is the time. When time comes, everything will change. But until then, there is no point in complaining and crying about it. Whatever it is, we have to face it." Then Sudama's wife says, "You have so much high moral and ethical values." Then Sudama says, "Yes, because of this only I had Sri Krishna as my friend." So Sudama's wife is saying he is a rich person, he is a king. How can he be your friend? Then Sudama says, "No, we both studied in the same Gurukula and Krishna loves me a lot and we were such good friends." His wife is not able to believe it because Krishna is a king and he is such a rich person. How can a rich person be a friend to such a poor person? So she says, don't lie or don't boast. Then Sudama says, "No, it is true. Why should I lie about it? Krishna is my best friend." Then his wife says, "If Krishna is such a good friend of yours, why don't you go and ask him for help? At least we will be able to feed our children." But Sudama is a little hesitant and he says, "I am a poor person. How can I go and ask help to a rich person?" Then Sudama's wife says, "In friendship, there is nothing like self-respect. You can go and ask your friend and your friend will definitely help you. At least for the sake of our children, please go and ask him help." So Sudama, he is still not wholeheartedly ready to go and ask his friend, but since the situation is so bad that he is not able to feed his children food, he agrees and he decides to go and meet Krishna. And he thinks, when I'm going to meet my friend, I need to take something with me. I need to give him a small present or a gift. I cannot just like that go. So his wife gives him a fistful of beaten rice, which is also called as poha. She gives that fistful of rice, beaten rice, and tells Sudama, "You can give this to Krishna." And Sudama goes to meet Krishna. So this is scene 1 of the story. And in scene 2, he goes and the soldiers make him stand outside. The guards of the palace make Sudama stand outside. And at that moment, Krishna just comes out. Okay? And he sees Sudama and he is so happy to meet his friend. And he invites him inside his palace. And he takes care of him. He is like shows him so much of love and affection and tells him to take rest and have a good bath and take rest, and he says, I will come and join you later, I have some important work to finish. So this is scene 2. So in today's video we will be looking at scene 1 and 2. Then in the next video I will explain what happened in scene 3 and 4. Okay, so let's start. Drishya 1 means here, if you see here Drishya 1, that is scene 1. This whole thing is enacted like a drama, so this is scene 1 of the drama. ಸುಧಾಮನ ಗುಡಿಸಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಮಯ. ಸುಧಾಮ ಯೋಚಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಶತಪಿತಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆತನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರಾಸೆ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. So in the scene you see that it is Sudama's hut. Gudisalu means hut, and it is during the night time, and Sudama looks a little disappointed and he's in deep thought. Okay, he's thinking something very deeply and walking around, and he is looking very disappointed as well. Then Sudama, this is Sudama's dialogue. Swagata, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳೇ ಬರುತ್ತಿವೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸುಖದ ದಿನಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತವೋ. ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. So now Sudama is thinking, why are so much of difficulties coming to me? Will I ever see happy days again? And he takes a deep breath. Nittusiru is deep breath. Adalla a devarige gottu. Only God knows when I will get out of my difficulties and when I will see happy days. So Sudama is taking a deep breath, and he's thinking, when will I ever get out of my difficulties? When will I see good days? All this only God knows. Then Hendati. Hendati means wife of Sudama. So ಬಡತನ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So his wife is saying poverty is always behind us. It is not going to leave us anytime soon. Then Sudama, ಬಡತನ ನಮಗಿರಲಿ, ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಡೆಯೋ ಹೇಗೆ? So Sudama is telling his wife, did you pray God that let us have a lot of children in this home and let us also have a lot of difficulties? Hendati, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರಲಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು ನಿಜ ಆದರೆ. Then his wife is saying, I did pray that there should be a lot of children in this house, but not difficulties. Okay, when she is about to tell that, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರವೇಶ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿದೆ. So when she is about to tell that, I said I wanted lot of children but not difficulties, their daughter comes in and the children are telling, we are hungry. Amma, we are hungry. Maga, nanagu hasivu uta kodamma. So the daughter saying we are hungry, the son is saying I am also hungry, please give me some food. Hendati, so the wife is now telling to Sudama, nodidra makkalealla hasivininda kangaalagive, ಪಾಂಡಿತ್ಯವುಳ್ಳ ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ದುಡಿದು ತರುತ್ತಾರೆಂದು ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದೆ. So his wife is saying, see, all our children, they are so weak out of hunger. I thought if I married a scholar person or a learned person, then he will earn enough money for the family. Sudama, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So Sudama saying, for everything a good time has to come. Hendati, ಅಂತೂ ಇಂತೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಡತನವೇ ಗತಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಬಡತನವೇ ಗತಿ. So she's saying, I think only poverty, we will have to live in this poverty itself. Sudama, ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೇನು ಬಂತು, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಮಾನವನ ಧರ್ಮ. So Sudama is saying, what is the use of worrying? ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು means there is no use of worrying. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು. So whatever difficulties or whatever life throws at us, we have to face it, we have to experience it. That is only the duty of every human. Ade manava dharma means a duty of every human. Hendati, ನೀವು ನೀತಿ ಹೇಳುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಮುಂದು. So the wife is saying, yeah, all ethics you will talk very nicely. You are first in talking all about ethical values. Then Sudama, ನೀತಿ, ನಿಯಮ, ವಿಧೇಯತೆ, ಪಾಂಡಿತ್ಯ ಇದ್ದುದರಿಂದಲೇ ಗುರುಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನಾದದ್ದು. So now Sudama is saying, ನೀತಿ means ethics or having moral values. niyama, following the rules, vidheya, obedience, and panditya is scholarly or having knowledge. Because of all these qualities which I had in me, that is ethics, rules, obedience and expertise, that is why Sri Krishna was my friend in our Gurukula. Gurukula is like a school. In olden days, that is where people used to study, in Gurukulas. So Sri Krishna is, because of this only Sri Krishna was my friend. Hendati. ಮಾತು ಮಾತಿಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅಂತೀರಿ. So the wife is saying, every time you keep saying Krishna was my friend, Krishna is my friend. ಸುಧಾಮ, ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಆತ ನನ್ನ ಪರಮ ಮಿತ್ರನಾಗಿದ್ದ, ಗುರುಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆವು. ಸುಧಾಮ saying, yes, it is true, Krishna was my best friend and we studied together we did our education together in the Gurukula. ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವಿರಾ, ಆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಡಾಯಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ? So the wife is still not able to believe it. So she's asking, are you telling the truth? Satya heluvira means, are you telling the truth? ಆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿ, such a rich person, where is he and where are you? ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಡಾಯಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ? Why are you simply boasting? Then Sudama, ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಲಿ ನಾನು? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸದಾ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಇರುತ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಂಡರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಸ್ನೇಹ, ಗೌರವ. So Sudama is saying, why should I lie to you? Krishna was my best friend. He was always with me. We were always together. We studied together and Krishna had so much of love and affection towards me. ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಅಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನಿದ್ದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಸಹಾಯ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ? So the wife is telling that if Krishna is such a best friend, such a great friend of yours, then why did you not go and ask him for any help? Sudama, ಕ್ಷಣ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮೌನ, ಬಡವನಾದವ ದೊಡ್ಡವರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಕೇಳಲು ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. So Sudama, for a second he is quiet and then he thinks and he tells, I am a poor person. A poor person should never go and ask a rich person for any help. ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆದುರು ಎಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಕೇಳಿ. So the wife is saying, among friends, why do you have so much of self-respect among friends? Please go and ask him for help. Sudama, ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳುವುದು? Sudama is a little hesitant and he is asking, how can I go and ask him for help? So the wife, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. So she's saying, you're saying he is your best friend, then definitely he will help you. Sudama, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಲಾರ, ಆದರೂ ಕೇಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಕೋಚ. So Sudama saying, yes, even I know that he will never say no if I ask him for help, but I am feeling very shy to go and ask help. ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಸಂಕೋಚ ಬೇಡಾರಿ, ಹಸಿದಿರುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರವಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ. So the wife is saying, please don't hesitate or please don't feel shy. At least for the sake of our children who are so hungry, please go and ask him help. Sudama, ಆಗಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಆದರೆ ಗೆಳೆಯನನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ಬರಿಗೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. So Sudama saying, okay, fine, I will go and ask him, but I will not go free-handed, empty-handed. I want to take something for my friend. ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ತಂದ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೇ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಉಪಹಾರಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೇನೂ ಸಾಲದು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಡಲೆ. So wife is saying, yesterday the flattened or beaten rice, or it is also called as poha, that a little bit of that is remaining and that is not enough for making any meal for our children. So I will give a little of that. Should I pack a little of that and give you? Maga, ಹಸಿವು, ಅದನ್ನಾದರೂ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. So the son is saying, oh, if that is that, at least give me that to me because I am very hungry. ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ತುಸು ತಡೆದುಕೋ ಕಂದ, ದೇವರ ದಯೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿಯೇ ಬಂಗಾರವಾದೀತು, ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಡಲೆ. So the wife is telling, no, please bear a little more. Who knows, this avalakki, that is this poha or the flattened rice itself may turn into gold. And she asks her husband, should I pack that? Then ಹೆಂಡತಿ, And Sudama, Sari, Hage Madu. So Sudama saying, okay, fine, just pack that and give it to me. Okay, so this is scene 1. So in scene 1, Sudama and his wife are discussing because they are discussing that they are so poor, and the wife tells Sudama to go and ask help to Sri Krishna because he studied with Sri Krishna in the same Gurukula, and both of them were very good friends when they were studying. But Sudama is a little hesitant and shy to ask for any help. But then because of the situation in his house, all the children are hungry, and his wife also forces him, saying that if Krishna is your best friend, he will definitely help you. Please go and ask him for some help. So finally, Sudama half-heartedly decides to go and ask help to Sri Krishna, and he packs a fistful of poha or beaten rice to go and meet his friend. Now, Drishya Eradu, scene 2. So this is a scene at Krishna's palace. What is happening there? ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಅರಮನೆ. ಕಾವಲುಗಾರ ಸುಧಾಮನನ್ನು ಅರಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಡದೆ ಬಾಗಿಲಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವನು. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುವನು, ಸುಧಾಮನನ್ನು ನೋಡುವನು. So this is Krishnana Aramane. It's the palace. So the scene is at Krishna's palace. And the guards or the soldiers, they don't let Sudama go inside the palace, and they make him stand outside near the gate itself. And by chance, akasmikavagi means by chance Krishna comes there and he sees Sudama. Then Krishna ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯದಿಂದ, ಓಹೋ ಸುಧಾಮ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ, ಬಾ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸುಧಾಮನ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿಯುವನು, ಕಾವಲುಗಾರರು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಸರಿಯುವನು. So Krishna is in full surprise. Ashcharya means he is so surprised, and he is like, oh Sudama, when did you come? Come inside. And he holds his hands and he takes him inside. The soldiers are surprised to look at Krishna welcoming this poor man so nicely. Then Sudama, Shri Krishna Maharajaru ಅತೀವ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಆನಂದ ಬಾಷ್ಪ ಸುರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ ಮಾತೆ ಹೊರಡದಂತಾಗಿದೆ. So Sudama is also so surprised, and he says, oh Shri Krishna, and there's tears of joy rolling out of his eyes, and he is even unable to talk anything. Krishna, eke Sudama kannalli neeru. Krishna is asking, what happened? Why are you having tears in your eyes? Sudama, ಬಹಳ ದಿನಗಳ ಅನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆನಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆನಂದದ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು. Sudama saying, I'm seeing you after so many days. That's why there's tears of joy rolling out of my eyes. Krishna, ದೂರದಿಂದ ದಣಿದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀಯ, ಸ್ನಾನ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡು, ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೋ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಹೋಗಗೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So Krishna is saying, you have come from so far, you look so tired. So freshen up, have bath and take some rest. I am not going to let you go away so quickly. Sudama, ayyo, alli, maneyalli, yaru illa, makkalige. Sudama is, no, there's nobody at home. He is trying to tell something to Krishna, but Krishna says, summaniru, banda takshana hogabekiddare, yake bande? Yaralli, Sudamanige vishrantiya vyavasthe ಮಾಡಿ. ಸುಧಾಮನಿಗೆ, ನನಗೂ ತುರ್ತು ಕೆಲಸವಿದೆ, ಅದು ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದು ಬಿಡುವೆ. So Krishna is saying, keep quiet. You've just now come. How can I let you go away so quickly? But if you had to go away so quickly, why did you ever come? And then he calls somebody there in the palace, and he tells them to make all arrangements so that Sudama takes enough rest. Vishranti is rest. Vyavasthe is arrangement. So he is telling somebody to take care of the arrangement for Sudama's rest. And to Sudama, Krishna is saying, I have some urgent work. Turtu kelsa means urgent work. I will finish that work and immediately come to see you. Now this is Drishya 3. This we will see in the second video. So in second scene, what happens is Sudama goes to meet Krishna, and he is stopped by the soldiers at the gate. Then Krishna comes there by chance and sees Sudama, and he welcomes him wholeheartedly and tells his people to take care of his rest and make arrangements for his rest. And he also tells Sudama that he has some urgent work. He will finish that and come immediately. Okay, so let us continue with in the second video.